और अभी आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं कराची में फ्यूचर समिट के 9वें एडिशन की तकरीब से वज़ीर आला सिंध सैयद मुराद अली शाह का खिताब जारी है।
A very distinguished gathering. I see faces here which I have known for 5 decades now. At least one person I recall that I have known since when I was a child, and several others who I've worked with over the years. Assalamu alaikum to you all and a very good morning. It's indeed a pleasure for me to welcome you all in Karachi, Pakistan's economic heart, Sindh's proud capital, a city that has always been synonymous with resilience, enterprise, and innovation. Today's theme for the summit, course correction, redefining the direction, could not be more timely. Today, New York has elected a 34-year-old Muslim mayor. You can't be redirecting or course correcting any more than this. A few years ago, the city of Karachi also elected a young mayor, which almost we had to contest with people like the ex-governor of New York who contested against Zoran Mamdani, and we were successful. So the change started from the city Karachi and it's got to New York. Around the world, nations are assessing their growth models, their governing priorities, and their social impact. Pakistan too stands at an inflection point. To move forward, we must redefine our direction towards innovation-driven, inclusive, and sustainable growth. In Sindh, we are already pursuing that transformation. We are modernizing our industrial and logistic space, developing IT parks, establishing technology zones for which we are not getting permissions from the federal government. Or Zaib Sahib is not listening. The technology parks that we are not getting permission from the federal government because of IMF conditions. Investing in energy transition, urban renewal, and human capital. Our government has introduced reforms that simplify business processes, strengthen public-private partnerships, and ensure that infrastructure development aligns with sustainability and equity. From Sindh's people housing for flood affectees to Karachi Safe City, from Shah Bhutto to green projects, our approach is pragmatic, forward-looking, and people-centered. But equally, we recognize that the greatest infrastructure we can build is the human mind. Through education, digital literacy, and skill development. That is why Sindh is aligning with initiatives like the ADB International Education and Skills Forum to prepare our youth for the economics of the future. Forums such as the Future Summit are invaluable because they unite policy, capital, and creativity. The National Bank of Pakistan's support, combined with nutshell groups' convening power, creates exactly the ecosystem that we need, where the private sector helps the public sector innovate, and the public sector provides the enabling framework for enterprises to thrive. I want to acknowledge the presence of global and national partners who continue to believe in metropolitan Karachi and the province of Sindh. Your engagement tells us that this province and Pakistan as a whole remains a promising investment destination for future technology, finance, infrastructure, and innovation. Let us take this opportunity to reaffirm our commitments from the Government of Sindh, 4 commitments from the Government of Sindh. Partnerships, we deepen our collaboration with investors, startups, and development institutions. The province of Sindh boasts having the best public-private partnership framework in Pakistan, and we've been successful in doing several infrastructure and service sector projects in public-private partnership. I'd request all, especially the investors from Pakistan, to avail the investment opportunities that are available in Sindh. We will continue to digitize processes, enhance transparency, and reduce red tape. We will ensure that women, youth, and marginalized communities which are integral to the growth story, are represented. We will measure impact, report progress, and stay aligned with global standards of governance. The province of Sindh will remain open to new ideas, new technologies, and new partnerships, because we understand that the future belongs to those who adapt fastest. As we begin this summit, let us not only talk about course correction, but also commit to collective acceleration. I would like Sindh to be the launchpad of a new narrative for Pakistan, one of innovation, integrity, and inclusion. To our guests from across Pakistan and abroad, I thank you all for being part of this journey. To the organizers, the Nutshell Group and the National Bank of Pakistan, congratulations for creating yet another platform for the future. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.
कराची में फ्यूचर समिट की 9वीं एडिशन की तकरीब से वज़ीर आला सिंध सैयद मुराद अली शाह का खिताब जारी था। उन्होंने कहा कि तमाम मुअज़्ज़िज़ मेहमानों को खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। कराची पाकिस्तान का मौशी हब है। राबतों में इजाफे से ही तरक्की की राहें खुलती हैं। कारोबारी सरगर्मियों के लिए साजगार माहौल फराहम किया जा रहा है। आपको बताते चलें कि कराची में फ्यूचर समिट के 9वें एडिशन की तकरीब से वज़ीर आला सिंध सैयद मुराद अली शाह का खिताब जारी था। उन्होंने कहा कि सिंध हुकूमत पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप को फ़रोग दे रही है। तमाम मुअज़्ज़िज़ मेहमानों को खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। कराची पाकिस्तान का मौशी हब है। राबतों में इजाफे से ही तरक्की की राहें खुलती हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि कारोबारी सरगर्मियों के लिए साजगार माहौल फराहम किया जा रहा है।